Atongoria kuma gicuaini kia Gusii magitongorio ni muhiuria wa mucarica mbungeini ya bururi silvanus osoro riu ni maikitie mugambo wao thutha wa guikio ngono kwa muthurimi wa budget margret Nyakang'o muthenya wa ira igongonaini ria kiwira mwena wa gicuaini makiuga ati guikio ngono gwake kumanite na mithingi ya uthutukania wa ruriri rwa Gusii gukorwo thirikari-ini kuona ndari na mahitia omothe na riu makihita kurugama na urumwe niguo kumatha kihoto kiao ta atongoria hamwe na muingi.
People who feel that there is a particular region, there is a particular community that shouldn't be in government. We want to tell them, and that is why we sat here today, that that region, and indeed every region in this country, have their leaders. And as representatives of the people, we will speak out and we will call them out. We have to defend our people. Because on Margret Nyakang'o, call it whichever name you want to call it, but we will tell you today, as people also support the president, that this is total witch hunt. There is nothing, there is completely nothing criminal. In as much as the matter is in court, and one would say that we are engaging or swimming in the waters of subjudice. That is neither here nor there. We are not discussing the content of the case.
Makiaria na andiki a mohoro makiria osoro ni atariirie ati honge citiganite cia thirikari na iria ciri na wiyathi wa kwirugamia nicio cirahuthika mbara-ini ya kiuteti na makiria guthingithia wira wa mutongoria wa bururi wa kunyitithania a Kenya othe guku bururi-ini.
We've realized that in the past 6 months we have had some people deliberately and with acts of impunity who are hell-bent to sabotage the president. That at any given time when His Excellency the President is out of the country and His Excellency the Deputy President is engaged on official duties like it were in recent past, he's been very the Deputy President who was in charge of the country.
Mwena-ini wake mutongoria wa ngwataniro Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga akimurika ndeto augite ati ndari na mwihoko na ruhonge rwa kurona ungumania guku bururi-ini EACC na riu akiuga ati guikio ngono kwa Nyakang'o kohota gukungia uteti na kuhutia cira ucio wake.
Going by the fate of Auditor General Margret Nyakang'o, we believe political interference will not allow EACC and DCI to deal with this matter, but to put this issue to the agencies as a matter of public record. And the warning must go out there that in another era, all will be held accountable, including these criminals.
Adini ha Muthingi TV, Rito Rekwa Nishege, Awawa Johi. Haya.